We're already hearing lots of Samsung Galaxy S23 leaks and rumors long before its expected launch, but that's a sign of how excited people are for the successor to the Samsung Galaxy S22. Samsung is right at the top when it comes to the smartphone camera. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is arguably the best camera phone of 2022, providing an overall great experience. Doesn't matter if you're taking photos from the main camera or the zoom camera, and now it looks like the Galaxy S23 Ultra will take that to even greater heights. All rumors indicate that the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature 4 rear-facing cameras including a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and 2 10-megapixel telephoto cameras, one with 3x optical zoom and the other boasting 10x capabilities thanks to folded lens technology. According to a new report, China's Sunny Optical supplied to 4 Galaxy S23 Ultra cameras. Sunny Optical has reportedly joined Samsung's supply chain for Galaxy S23 Ultra cameras. The company will provide 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel folded zoom 10x shooters or Samsung's upcoming flagship. However, it won't be only company responsible for supplying these types of sensors. To an unspecified percentage, Samsung Electronics will also acquire the 10-megapixel folded zoom telephoto camera and the 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter destined for the Galaxy S23 Ultra from Korea's Namuga and Samsung Electromechanics. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra has a large battery with a capacity of 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. In addition, we recently saw that the processor of the American version of the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and that is much faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and of course Samsung's own improvements in camera software post-processing. Rumors suggest Samsung will skip its own Exynos processor for next year's flagship phone. This could also be an important factor in your decision-making if you live in an area where Exynos is your only choice at the moment. Specifically, the Galaxy S23 Ultra may set new standard for low-light photography and image clarity at high zoom levels. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.